Hi everyone! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best Eufy home security systems. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best Eufy home security systems. The 5th product on our list is WGV Home Security System. The best home security cameras without a subscription are from the brand WGV. Their security camera has innovative features and provides reliable performance. The WGV Home Security camera includes two-way audio with a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing real-time interaction with family or pets. It supports optional cloud and local SD card storage for convenient video recording and retrieval. Designed for easy setup, the camera connects to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and is compatible with smart home devices like Alexa for voice command control. It is ideal for various applications such as baby monitoring, pet care, and general home surveillance. Additional features include motion tracking and detection, enhanced app for easy installation, and the ability to support multiple users viewing simultaneously. The camera's motion-activated spotlight and color night vision ensure clear visibility in low-light conditions. Up next, in 4th place, is the Noorio Home Security System. Noorio specializes in user-friendly and accessible home security products, focusing on smart design for improved safety and ease of use. The Noorio B200 security camera features two-way audio with a built-in speaker and mic, allowing easy communication with people near the camera. It boasts a significant storage capacity, storing footage locally without needing a subscription. It is completely wire-free as this camera is powered by a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts up to 180 days, ensuring continuous operation. Its magnetic mount makes installation and adjustment straightforward. The device allows for remote access from anywhere via a smartphone, and users can customize motion detection zones to focus on specific areas. Additionally, the camera integrates seamlessly with smart home systems like Alexa for convenient control. The Noorio B200 comes with a limited free cloud service, and customer support can be contacted for more information on cloud options and any other assistance. The 3rd product on our list is the REOLINK Home Security System. REOLINK specializes in innovative home security solutions, offering high-quality cameras with features for enhanced home safety and monitoring. The REOLINK indoor security camera is equipped with two-way audio, allowing real-time communication with family or pets. Its storage capacity is large, supporting up to 256 GB micro SD cards, high-capacity NVRs, and FTP servers for flexible storage options. It functions on dual-band Wi-Fi for a stable and fast connection and is compatible with smart home devices for voice command control. Special features include automatic person or pet tracking to monitor movements, an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi setup for easy installation, and remote viewing through the REOLINK app or client. Additionally, the camera can be integrated with various third-party software like Synology, QNAP-NAS, and Blue Iris, among others. It supports up to 12 simultaneous live view accesses and allows for the addition of up to 19 user accounts. The 2nd product on our list is the DEKCO Home Security System. DEKCO is recognized for its innovative and reliable security camera solutions, focusing on advanced technology and user-friendly features. The DEKCO 2-Packs 2K Wi-Fi outdoor security cameras come equipped with two-way audio, allowing real-time conversation with visitors. They support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity, but not 5 GHz, and feature IP66 weatherproof certification for durability in various weather conditions. These cameras are designed for remote monitoring and easy integration with the free DEKCO or CloudEdge app. Additional special features include smart motion tracking, customizable and timed sound, and light alarms, smarter voice replies with a voice-changing function, and AI events analysis for better motion understanding. The camera sharing function allows up to 5 people to view online simultaneously. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Eufy Home Security System. Eufy Security is a leader in providing efficient and easy-to-use home security solutions. If you are looking for a reliable home security system with no monthly fees, then this is the best option. The Eufy Cam 2C features two-way audio, allowing direct communication with visitors or intruders. Its robust 180-day battery life reduces the frequency of recharges, and it integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa for smart home connectivity. The camera is built to withstand various weather conditions with an IP67 weatherproof rating and operates efficiently across a wide range of temperatures. Additional features include human detection to minimize false alerts, smart image enhancement for better focus on human subjects, a built-in spotlight for clearer night vision, and customizable smart detection zones. The system uses AES 128 encryption for secure data storage and transmission. That's all for our list of the 5 best Eufy home security systems on the market. Head over to the description below for links to more detailed info on each of the products. And remember to leave a comment to let us know your opinion. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. We'll see you guys in the next video.